This is the alarms and shutdowns page. Here we're going to talk about how you're going to configure all of the alarms and shutdowns outputted by your actuator. This page displays whether or not the current alarm or shutdown has been logged, or whether or not the alarm or shutdown is currently active. You can see that I've had some logged alarms as I've been configuring the actuator. We can reset that log, have that go away. You can also see that I have some active alarms and shutdowns. For instance, I have no demands hooked up to my actuator right now, so you'll see that those demand 1 input and the summed demand is invalid. But if you'd like more detail on all these alarms and shutdowns, you can refer to the product manual. Down at the bottom of the page, there's a button that allows you to step to the Configure Alarms and Shutdowns. Here's where you can configure many of the diagnostics in the actuator. The first column allows you to configure whether the alarm or shutdown is enabled or disabled, an alarm or shutdown, and whether the alarm is latching or non-latching. You'll notice that some of the diagnostics are not configurable. Woodward has limited the configurability of some of these alarms and shutdowns for safety reasons.